this is Tina Varelli here. I just wanted to share with you this awesome new KitchenAid attachment for your stand mixer. It is the Sifter+Scale attachment. It comes in its own storage case here that you can open up and have places for all your parts and all your documentation, and it has a neat magnetic closure. And it's really, really simple. It just involves these three pieces here, and it's really gonna help you to get those consistent, fluffy baking results. So it's gonna fit in any KitchenAid stand mixer all the way back to 1919. So it doesn't matter what model you have, it doesn't matter how old it is, it's definitely gonna work. Now the attachments all go into this power hub. So I'm just gonna unscrew the cover here. And then this is the housing part. In here is the sifter portion, and down here is the swivel chute, and those also come out for easy cleaning. So you just want to plug in into your power hub, and you just give it a twist until it gets locked in, and then you want to tighten up your thumb screw. So down here, this is the swivel. So you can swivel this chute so that it will sift the flour into a separate bowl, or it's going to sift right into your mixing bowl. But I want to make sure that you know that that extends and pulls down as well. So then you have your ingredient hopper here, and this holds up to 4 cups of flour. And then you have your scale here, and you just turn it on down here with the buttons. And then this is your tare button to go back to 0. And then this is you can measure in grams, ounces, and pounds, and it can measure up to about 4.4 pounds. Now this attaches up to here, and I'll show you how to use that, but I also wanted to point out that it can also be a separate kitchen scale. So if you don't have a kitchen scale, it does double duty there. So once you have your housing attached, then you're going to put your scale on, and it's super easy there, just with a twist to get that in place. And the scale has batteries in that, and they're included, so that's battery operated. And then you're going to put your hopper on. Your hopper has a little release valve here. You can see how when you twist that, that's going to release your dry ingredients down into the sifter assembly. So this just gets placed up on top. There's a little rounded portion here on this side. I don't know if you can see that. So that just fits right into there. And then this is just a lid that you could use or not use. So when you're ready to go, it's going to be 3 in 1. So it's going to weigh your ingredients. That's what helps to give you those consistent results. And then it's going to sift your ingredients and shoot them all into the bowl. And it all works here by the power of your stand mixer. So if I put my mixer on, you can hear that sifter inside doing its work. So the first thing you want to do here is just measure your ingredients, and you're just going to scoop right into the hopper here, and you can't see at this angle, but it's going to give you your measurement. So right now we're at 24 grams of flour. So you just want to weigh. So weighing is what gives you those consistent results. So you just put in as much flour as the recipe calls for. And if your recipe is not written in grams or ounces, there's a conversion chart right on the box. So just put your ingredients in and just think about, you know, how lumpy powdered sugar, cocoa powder, and flour can be. So the sifting is really a great step, and it's just so easy with this attachment. So when you're ready to sift, I'm going to put that lid on, and I'm going to turn my mixer on, and then you just turn the switch that I showed you on the side, and that flour is going to automatically, we weight it, then it gets sifted, and then it goes right down into the chute and just puts it in easily for you. So you're not going to get any of that flour poof coming out of the bowl because it's just automatically adding it slowly for you. And you can adjust the rate of how quickly it goes by your lever on the side. So that is just so cool, and I think it's such a great attachment if you're a baker and you really just want to take it to the next level, or if you want to give a really neat gift to the baker in your life. What a great gift. So when it comes time for cleaning, it's super easy. This can go right into the dishwasher, as well as the hopper can go right into the dishwasher. Just put them all on the top rack. This part you do not want to put in the dishwasher because remember that has the batteries and the scale portion in there. And then this part, I'll show you how you can take that apart. I'll make another video where you can really get down in and see the inside mechanism of that. But just wanted to give you a quick overview. So this is our KitchenAid Sifter+Scale attachment. Really neat attachment, and I hear from people all around that are just loving it. So thanks so much for tuning in. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.